everybody, in today's video I will be doing my September cover page and kind of talking a little bit about that, and then you'll also see my September calendar towards the end. And I know we're like 8 days into September already, but I haven't been very good about finishing my videos. So here I'm doing some tracing on my September, and I went with a brush pen, and I'm using the Kelly Creates medium or small, I can't remember, brush pen. And the reason I chose these, even though they aren't as good as my Pentel brush pen, they don't smudge when I erase and they dry a lot faster. I've also been practicing a lot with these brush pens instead of my Pentel brush pen, since that was a gift, and I really want to, and since I like it a lot, I don't want to use it as much. So now I'm just going to head on over and trace the words that I chose to inspire me this month with a crayola super tip marker, and those words are: today has potential. And the reason I chose those words is because I really want to do more in my day, and I think this will help me remember that a lot of stuff can get done in one day. After I went in with the marker, I went in and traced around the marker with a Faber-Castell M fine liner pen, and I liked the marker by itself better than this, but I'll know that for next time. Yeah, so the reason I probably didn't like how this turned out is because around this point I got pretty lazy with how I was tracing. So that A looks really wonky. Now I'm going to take my Pentel brush pen and letter the same words. I thought it would be artistic or something to have two completely different fonts saying the same thing, and so that's what I did. But this was kind of a weird moment because I had written this out in pencil a month ago, and my cursive has changed a little bit since then. So when I went in with a brush pen a month later that I haven't practiced using, and my style has also changed a little bit, things ended up a little bit off, but it still looks good if you look at it from a distance with your eyes closed. So now I'm just coloring in a bunch of balloons that I drew. I found an image off Google and kind of just copied it to the best of my ability. I am no artist, and I just chose, some of my favorite colors, and then also red, because I knew I wanted the balloon that was floating away to be red. After I filled everything in, I outlined the balloons with this fine liner from Kelly Creates. I honestly don't remember the reason why I used this brand instead of Faber-Castell, but it ended up working out in the end because every time I erase the pencil underneath my Faber-Castell, the color fades a little bit, but whenever I erase over these, the color does not fade. The last thing I did was fill in this red balloon that's floating away and trace it, I'm pretty sure, with the same fine liner from Kelly Creates, and then drew the little string. And that's all I did on this page, and it was really fun and whimsical. Here's a quick little time lapse of me doing my calendar, which for some reason I did each row by 6, which made my calendar stagger the days, which was really weird, but it's okay. I'll do better next time. And I've actually been using this calendar a lot, so I think this is the only thing I really need in my bullet journal, besides, a finance page or a couple of pages. Here's a very quick flip through of what I did in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!